Have you ever noticed how just a few notes of your favorite song can change everything? Maybe it helps you breathe easier, makes you feel a little stronger, or reconnect with yourself after a long day. Music just has that quiet kind of magic. It doesn't demand anything from you, it simply meets you where you are and offers comfort. But how does music manage your stress or help you to manage your stress? And what are some ways or tips that you can use music for the best way to manage your stress? We'll take a look. Well, that magic that's music, it has the power to lower stress hormones, slow your breathing rate or your heart rate, and even lift your mood by increasing those wonderful feel-good chemicals. And it's one of the simplest and most accessible ways to feel more calm, more centered, and more supported. And here's the beautiful part. There is no perfect playlist. The best music for stress relief is whatever helps you feel steady and safe. And that could be a soft piano, gentle nature sounds, my favorite, or even just an upbeat track that reminds you of better days. Just let music be your companion. So one way you can use music to your advantage is to just start your day with it, to ease into your day. Music that just helps you to naturally start your day with calmness. And during the day, when things feel heavy, then take a mindful break and use some music to calm you down or center you or ground you, whatever you're needing. And to wind down at night, you can use soothing music or nature sounds so that it guides your body into a restful state. That's my favorite go-to for bedtime. And if you're looking to maybe go deeper into relaxation and calming yourself, you can try what's called sound healing. And that's using what they call earth bowls or singing bowls. It can be chimes. And these vibrations, they help to release emotional tension and bring your balance to your body and mind. So that's just a little extra thing you might want to look into if it seems like it's something that's appealing. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, pause. Put on a song that soothes your spirit and let the music hold you. You don't have to go through the hard moments alone. Music is more than sound. It's support, it's connection, and it's here for you. And additionally, if you're looking for where to find these kinds of music, I would highly recommend using the Calm app. You can try it for 7 days for free. I believe a monthly membership is about $15 a month, but that will give you access to their whole library of practically every kind of music that you can think of. Calming music, music for meditation, even movement guides, meditation guides. There is just a plethora of great music on Calm. I've used it many, many times. I love it for calming down at the end of the day and to use some kind of nature or calming sounds at night to go to sleep. And there's many, many other apps. You can also try playlists on something like Spotify or Pandora. They all have soothing music. So hope this tips helps, and I look forward to seeing you next time.